How to make money on Twitter, X. Jump to the latest way to make money on X, Twitter. With over 330 million active users, Twitter is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. But did you know that it can also be a powerful tool to make money? Whether you're an influencer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to monetize your Twitter account, here are numerous opportunities to earn money on the platform. How to make money on Twitter. 1. Offer social media services. Providing Twitter management services involves taking control of another person's or company's Twitter account daily. Creating and curating content, interacting with followers, running ads, and building growth strategies are some examples of this. As a Twitter manager, you can earn a steady income by charging a monthly retainer or a percentage of the account's revenue. 2. Twitter ads. Twitter ads is a platform that enables businesses and individuals to design and manage Twitter advertising campaigns. With Twitter ads, you may reach a wider audience and direct traffic to your website or landing page. Promoted tweets, promoted accounts, and promoted trends are just a few of the ad forms available on the site. One of the features of Twitter ads is that you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. This is known as a pay-per-click model. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way of making money on Twitter. You can promote goods or services to your followers through affiliate programs and get paid a commission on sales from your ad. Once you've signed up for a program, you'll get a unique affiliate link for your tweets. You will receive a commission on sales once a customer clicks on your link and completes an order. 4. Become a Twitter influencer. Another approach to monetizing Twitter is by influencing. You can leverage your influence as a Twitter influencer to promote businesses or products to your audience because you have a substantial and active following. Influencers can make money through various methods, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and product reviews. You need to establish a potent personal brand and increase your following on Twitter to become a Twitter influencer. 5. Sell Twitter-related products. Suppose you have experience with social media marketing or Twitter. In that case, you can produce and promote e-books, courses, or other digital products that show people how to use Twitter efficiently. To be successful, you must pinpoint a particular issue or need that your target market faces and devise a solution to meet that need. Once your product is ready, you can promote it on Twitter by tweeting links to your sales page, producing interesting content highlighting your product's advantages, and using your current audience to create buzz and drive sales. 6. Sell sponsored tweets. If you have a large Twitter following, you may charge brands looking to reach your audience for a single tweet or a series of tweets. While similar to sponsored content, this is more concerned with single tweets than long-term partnerships. Finding businesses and marketers who are a good fit for your audience and contacting them with your pitch is necessary to sell sponsored tweets. 7. Ticketed spaces. Ticketed spaces are Twitter's way of supporting creators on Twitter for their time and labor spent organizing, speaking at, and moderating public events. Creators can receive a portion of the money collected from those who buy tickets to their ticketed spaces on Twitter. Tickets for the experience and interaction that creators offer on Twitter. Spaces are available for purchase, which allows audiences to support creators by attending their spaces and contributing financially. Through ticketed spaces, creators can offer seminars, discussions, or meet and greets with their most devoted followers. Boom. That's all it takes. Now go and get active.